Hello there and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing 5 easy hikes that you can do at Yosemite National Park. So come on, let's get right into it. Hi, my name is Yia. This channel is all about exploring the outdoors, travels far and wide, ATV riding and off-road adventures, scenic hiking spots, near and far, and road trips here and there. But it's also about something deeper. It's about the journey we take within. Join me on my outdoor adventures. Remember, it's not the mountains we conquer, but ourselves. Yosemite National Park, famous for massive granite cliffs, giant sequoia trees, and epic waterfalls. I was able to visit in the fall and in the summertime, and I can tell you, both are equally amazing.
This is a really long line. You have to wait an hour just to get to the gate.
In my experience, the best way to get around Yosemite is to park your car and take the Valley Shuttle system. It'll take you everywhere. The first hike you can do is the Bridalveil Fall hike, and it's a paved trail leading to the base of the fall. The best flow of water is in the spring when the snow has melted. It can be slippery and windy, but it's very pretty. The second easy hike I recommend is doing the El Capitan Meadow Loop. You'll get incredible close-up views of El Capitan towering above the meadow. It's mostly a flat dirt trail, and it's located along Northside Drive. Upper and Lower Yosemite Fall. Lower Yosemite Fall is the easy one. The upper one is not easy, but it's popular. If you want easy and amazing views, stick with Lower Yosemite Fall and then pair it with the Bridalveil Fall and the El Capitan Meadow Loop. The fourth easy hike I recommend is Cook's Meadow Loop. You get wide open meadow with postcard views of Half Dome. It's located in Yosemite Valley near Lower Yosemite Falls Trailhead. It's so pretty, you cannot miss this one. The fifth easy hike is the Grizzly Giant Loop. It's 2 miles, it's easy to moderate, it'll take you an hour to an hour and a half. You'll pass by the Grizzly Giant tree and then the Bachelor and the Three Graces. You could park at the Mariposa Grove Welcome Plaza, or you could take the shuttle in the spring and fall or walk the 2 miles uphill to the Grove. And if you want the absolute must-see lowest effort route, do the Big Trees Loop. But if you have a little more energy, add the Grizzly Giant Loop. Well, we come to the end of this video. If you're planning a trip to Yosemite, I hope you found this information useful. I hope to return one day and do more of the challenging hikes. But until then, it's time to part ways and go on many more adventures. See ya in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.